I'm seeing significant structural instability here near the fuselage.
Understood. Placing a red flag now.
Document the rust levels here. This section is critical. Copy that. We have significant decay near the fuselage break. Okay, easy now. Keep the tension steady. Coming loose from the bottom. Bring the skid steer closer. We're ready to move this route.
Integrity.
Yes, the scanner confirms zero.
The laser grid shows a deviation of 40 millimeters at this joint. Confirmed. We need to cross-reference that with the original schematics. Lower the starboard support beam slowly.
Clear on the port side. Maintain pressure.
Locking mechanisms engaged and secure.
Tension on line 4. Keep it steady.
We have breakaway at the stern. Maintain pressure.
Tension sequence initiated. All stations report green.
Bracket 5 secure, engineer.
Port side cradle shows green. Starboard is secure. Locking hydraulics engaging now. Copy that. We are fully loaded.
Keep it steady on the left side. Copy that. Watching the stabilization cradle now. 7.
Acknowledged. Convoy is approaching checkpoint 2. Advise on mud density. Keep it steady at Bay 3. Watch the starboard engine clearance.
Confirmed. Approaching the marker. Ensure the laser scan covers the entire fracture point on panel 7. Copy that. Adjusting the sweep angle now. Look at the stress fracture on this panel. We need a full ultrasonic scan immediately. And check the corrosion near the nacelle.
The mud density here is unprecedented. We need the specialized pressure washers.
Agreed. Mark this zone for heavy organic debris removal first.
Look at the state of this actuator. The corrosion is severe.
Documenting heavy oxidation on the linkages. Character A.
Almost there. Easy now.
It's moving. Clear. Let's get this documented immediately.
Keep it steady. We are clearing the firewall now. Copy that. Watching the hydraulics.
Panel 7 is free. Careful with the wiring harness. The structural integrity here is better than expected, aside from the rust migration.
This bracket is completely corroded. We need to document this section immediately.
Severity logged. I'm noting the degradation on the adjacent wiring as well.
We need a full assessment of this section before we proceed.
Yes, engineer. We've tagged the hydraulic components for immediate inspection.
Check the alignment here. The load distribution looks stable. Yes, the thermal imaging confirms a secure joint.
Ensure the alignment is within tolerance. We need full structural verification on Sector 4.
Check the leveling right here at the seam. It's reading 3 millimeters high.
Okay, I'll take that down now.
Landing gear hydraulics are nominal.
Check the pressure on auxiliary line 3.
Copy that. Pressure holding steady at spec. Check the starboard pylon alignment again, B. Reading green across the board, A. Console confirms within tolerance.
Hydraulics engaged. Pressure steady at 5,000 psi.
Confirmed. Seals disengaged on my side. Verification complete.
Copy that. Prepare for extraction sequence gamma.
Alignment is within tolerance. Secure the forward mounting rail. Engaging the fastening system now. Connection point verified.
Verify the routing path for the central avionics loom.
Path is clear and secured. Checking terminal seating now.
Checklist shows green. Proceed with integration.
Does this actuator match the schematic revision? Yes, engineer. Verified against the mounting points. We're clear for installation on the starboard gear.
Calibration targets are locked across the fuselage. Data confirms perfect symmetry on the starboard engine mount. We are clear for sign-off.
Secure the avionics mounting beam here.
Laser alignment is green.
Okay, tighten the precision bolts to spec.
Cross-check the navigation interfaces. Are the redundancies online?
Confirmed. All modules synchronized and verified. Confirmed. Alignment is within tolerance.
We are online. The power distribution modules are nominal.
Copy that, lead. Sensor array is fully responsive. We need to cross-check the hydraulic units against the schematics. The engine modules are ready for staging. Verify the installation sequence for the landing gear. Check the fluid couplings again. Confirmed, engineer. Everything is green for the hoist. Slow and steady, bring it down 5 centimeters. Alignment is conferred. Load distribution looks nominal.
Bring it down slowly, confirm alignment.
Alignment is verified, proceeding with fastening sequence.
Roger that, steady as she goes. Slow and steady, hold it right there.
We have alignment. Secure the panel.
Check the alignment on section 4.
Reading 0.005 within tolerance. Documented.
Alignment looks good on this actuator. Let me see the mirror. Yes, threads are fully engaged. Ready for the pressure test down here. Check the guide vanes on section 4. We have a slight deviation. Running the laser scan now. Confirmed. Adjusting the actuator slightly.
Final torque applied. Check the specifications on that main strut. Reading is nominal. Verified and secured. Ensure the whisker ridges are perfectly aligned before we bolt the final plates. Yes, the thermal readings look stable.
The stress fracture runs deeper here.
Caliper reading shows it exceeds tolerance by 20%.
Document that for the repair plan.
Phase 1 is officially complete. The alignment looks perfect on section 7. Incredible work, everyone.
Sensor array diagnostics complete.
Copy that. Securing panel 4, we are green for flight control checks.
Ensure these rivets are completely flush before the next stage.
Got it, we're finishing up the sanding here.
Swellings. This composite material requires a 12-hour cure time before the aerodynamic finish.
Yes, the schedule accounts for that.
Hydraulic pressure is stable across all main lines. Copy that, validating the actuator response now. Ground, we have green indications across the board.
Copy that, cabin. Engine parameters look nominal from here. Spool up complete.